Hey everybody, today we are going to be making a beaded bookmark. These have seemed super popular lately, but I've never been able to find this big finding piece that you need to make the bookmark, but I recently got it in one of my boss's bead bag mystery bags, so now I can finally make one. There's two different techniques to make these, but I only have this one, so I'm just going to be showing you this one way. If I ever get more of these, I will show you guys the other way in a different video. But let's just get right into the supplies. First thing you'll need, of course, is the bookmark finding, and then you will need some bead stringing wire. I just have this beadalon spool, and this is just a little extra leftover bit that I have from a necklace. And then you'll need your beads, of course. I have these beads lined up how I want them, as well as a leaf bead to go on the end. I definitely recommend having a little something to dangle off the end. And then I have two crimp beads, two wire guards, a bigger 6mm jump ring for the leaf, and then two smaller 4mm jump rings just for if I need them. So let's start out by making the bookmark itself. So I'm going to put one end of the beading wire through the guard and then put it through the other side of the guard. So you should have your wire on your guard just like that. Now I'm going to take one of the crimp beads, put it on the other end of our wire, and then when you get down to that short end, put that in there too and slide it all the way up. And then we're going to take our crimping pliers and just crimp that bead. I feel like I'm definitely not doing the best explanation of this, but I would recommend watching videos on how to make necklaces that are like this if you've never done this part before. Because I could not figure out how to do this for the longest time. My mother had to teach me because she's done a lot of beading in the past. These are actually a majority of her supplies, the pliers, the beadalon. So that's the end of our bookmark there. We will eventually attach the leaf to that end. But now we're just going to take our wire and start putting on all of our beads. Okay, so we're gonna have something just like this. So now we're gonna put our crimp bead on the string, and then put our guard on the string. And you can just make a little strung piece and then use a jump ring to add it to the bookmark, but I am going to add the bookmark on to the gauge because it'll fit in there. So it looks like that, and now I just have to do the crimp bead part. Okay. So we got our crimp bead all crimped. And now for the absolute worst part, trying to get the extra bit of the string tucked into the beads. Okay, I only got it strung through the first two beads and then I just clipped it because it's fine if there's a little bit of an end there because it's not a necklace, so it's not going to scratch your neck or anything. But I'm going to, I think I'm gonna add one of the small jump rings on the bottom. Just so that when it's actually in the book, the leaf faces the right way. So I'm going to take a bigger jump ring, open it up, put the leaf bead on there, put it on the end of the bookmark, close it up, And there you go, you are done with your beaded bookmark. These are so nice because you can make all kinds of different themes to go with different books. This one, I just wanted to do a little cottagecore kind of thing. I also just had all these beads out because I've been making necklaces like this lately. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.